kahle kahle the way uyawahubuluza ngakhona uyobukhishima ngakhona mele ngabe one of the people abaye bavelela yini eyenza ukuthi ube ne-cold feet.
1990 ke kaba nama-changes. For an example, eKatlehong, when ama-changes mawacala kuba nezimpi, was the issue yokuthi kulwa ama-taxi. It's a taxi war. Between two association, Kato ne-GNT. So masibheke ukuthi impi yama-taxi, and then after that kwaba inento yokuthi no impi yamaXhosa namaZulu. Yabo. After that it was then impi ye-ANC ne-IFP. That's what people they were saying. And then that thing itself yakhatha ukuthi kungasabi a relationship between abahlali basemahostela nabaselokishini because of that violence. But I'm always saying, mina, it's a violence that was created by the apartheid system.
Some of us were molded by all of those negative, significant events that happened around Iskatawoma 1990, 91, 92, all the way through to 95, between that IFP, ANC, political killings and...
Till now, because we're involved, we'll see at some stage stability see part of a certain group, escorting a certain group to attack a cars. And sit no man naba abantu abasishayayo. Yabo. Laba assistwa yilaba. Is the apartheid system. So it was the apartheid system program ebenza sure ukuthi it disruptor and ishaye ANC.
Lapha eRamkunuphi mawujampa laphana kunabo banana kunabo babhaya abantu abakhawathekile. That day what happened because kungakwakho endlini grand.
It was Sunday afternoon. There was a visit ka president now Comrade Cyril, but he was a general secretary of ANC ngaleso sikhathi with Comrade Joe Slovo as a general secretary of SSCP. So bokunama arrangement ukuthi bahambe bayobheka ukuthi what's happening, abantu ba affected kangakanani when it's area la be izindlu zakhona bezichile as a result of violence bokusokusela amabonda. Now uma ba busy kwenziwa that umsebenzi wokubheka le area itself ukuthi affecteke kangakanani nge violence, and then kwaqala kwaba ne shooting. The shooting was from this side la sewastel, and it was a shooting le ebe wobona ukuthi labantu laba trainiwe lapha, and ulwana umuntu ongamboni ongaphakathi wena sithena singaphandle. Man lana sike sashaya. Ezinye zezinto azikakavuswa 100% because they were bond houses, abantu babaleka bathi angisabuyeli. Kunabantu bathi angisabuyeli lapha ngicishe ngafela endlini.
Leanto Leana, it was very rife at that time, you know. I mean, Bengida myself edladleni, we literally ran twice. Ibale kwarakshiwa izinto bafike baluthe sivaye ukukhula kwami ngikhulele emhlongo abantu bangazi kulama bites because sisuke ngara go blind, so kwaba ne pushback until kube ne borderline eGadebe nemngadi section. So imngadi la ngiloma ko bekuyozone naba boRamkunuphi lama line food particularly lawa two very affected lapha badly. Asikhulume nge build up towards uComrade Chris Hani.
Ishka Comrade Chris, I remember Magazo Shono or Comrade Chris just a month or a couple of weeks bagase Katlehong cine meeting lapa DH hall.
A Petit Toshlo
Menchis addressing a meeting for a period of an hour. Then he addressed us to Comrade Chris. But one of the things Comrade Chris was issuing to go a Comrade Mamelan. While go negotiate, sing a large side. Is safety merely prioritize. Because ngalesa sikhathi lesiyana besihlale sivaker kuTemba anything engavela. Now mohamba estradeni uvula amehlo awuhambi nje. So Comrade Chris was saying it safety is very important, comrades. Singalahli side. And we were so lento so ku Tobra Chris ushayiwe and all those stories, there was no security and all those things. Kanjani, because the same person was telling us in safety. What is safety merely prioritize. But now I'm still saying, Mina, it was a plan of the apartheid system. But Mashayo Chris, because he was one of the popular leaders within ANC. So Mashayo Law, in a disruptor process, a negotiation. Everyone was emotional. But the following day, ex-say Numatiba came and said, no, man, Mamelan, Makaban. Masanga willing to let trap. Because Lavant Wafona Guliwe. So that was what this. But Bapeti amnesia. Tennessee amnesia in Lentenis Kalisa. It's nothing. And if it was not uMadiba ngicanga ukuthi ngabe sayenza mistakes awela ki-trap sathi makuliwe and ngabe kwamosheka i-country. Now abantu baboshiwe they confirm ukuthi it eshayo Chris baye ejele. But anything beyond that ukuthi abobani makube ne-proof abantu baboshwe. Masise FNB there was this thing okuthiwa man comrades kunamabhune AWB athi angeke kunqwatshwe la. And everyone was saying ubani osho njalo siyeni sonke. Siyobona ukuthi siyeni sonke so deala ngabo. So anything okuthiwa bangathi nangu uthi ngoChris bakashaywe.
What was the agenda? Mageza ongene osi njoba lokho abhizi bazama ukukhuza lento le. Kwathiwa kuza ugatsha kuza yena igcina iphelele lapha.
uMadiba bakeza ilesikhathi bosokuqala ukinitiatewa ipeace because there was this thing peace committee something like that.
Yeah.
They initiate ipeace kuthi madoda akuthelelwana amanzi ayiphele violence. Few minutes makacatha ukuhamba kufika uMadiba uhamba no umama uWinnie abo Bishop Tutu. There was Upeni Alexander was the general secretary PAC. Lot of leadership from various leadership from churches. Because everyone was saying, hey, mele kube ne peace. uMadiba when he was trying to address abahlali labo basema hostel, they refused to address uMadiba. Said, no, thina asifuni kuza next. And ugcina ngaba addressanga because but no. I remember there was a time la ubona abomama baphethe izimbazo. Shaya imbazo phansi esikontirini light umlilo uthi madoda namhlanje kuyafika.
What was the connection? Yeah.
Babonisa i-sign of peace ukuthi mamelana as leaders siyagree ukuthi kumele kube ne-peace. But makuza lo address abantu bakhe nalo angeke basamamela lo uMadiba. So that was into yenzeka ngesikhathi leso sika Madiba.
So let's talk about now the real danger because kunabazali vandag vele baluza incosi abanye azange ba recover bafethu abanye bagcine sebaqala lento yokunkawuza. It was even before ikhathi zabonya uBenani but amajita agcina angena kakhulu eindandeni because even makuzophela iwar before kuzofonywa iSPU neSDU around that time bekusese tight because bekungatrustwana la kukhawatheka khona iintwana kunala abazali mele ba-identify. I think kwabhoda amajita ayi-12 da.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah.
They were 15. They were 15. Into yakhona yaqala it was on Monday. But bayiqala kathi no kune member ye-S3 eshaye members ANC Youth League and all those things. Then they started to rotate and then but final total number yabantu abashona lapha they were 15. That was the last day makubani nomuntu oshonayo. The following day we then said parents they must go and take abantwana babo esigangeni.
Abanye abasana inhloko.
Abanye abasana inhloko. It was on Thursday.
Khona la emakula la.
Khona la emakula emaroboti. Kwasala abantu lapha yana. Kwasala abantu nabo laba kulela side kwasala abantu. Thina masifika sathi hote makusela abantu la. Abantu bafile comrades zifile because of i-system nakhona.
Ekasi i-community mayiz organizer bekunento yokuthi kuyacontributwa house to house so that yothengwa amabullet yothengwa ibhamu even though ke abanye bewathi ama-t-shirt abanye bathi sithenga ipikira abanye bathengwa ama-hamura. There were code names that were devised at that time. I was one of the people ababa ne-role umthelela nje obo-right for that time though bekungekho right because bengihlala kwenye ingamla uHarry. So besihleli nempintshi zami senza into yama-boys brigade every Friday siyaphuma after skele siyahamba siye eGymiston siyolala kule ngamla bayatrain senza lento zama-scout kanti intwana yada ka-Uncle Harry isebusotsheni njalo uma ibuya ebusotsheni ibuya nama-trunk wama-bullet. That's what gained me ifame as-snacks because bekuyimi supply yama-bullet manje ka so amakrot mana amadala aqala ukungirecognize manje ukuthi bafethu ibullet belidura beguriwa yes but now more towards the tail end yalento nazi the palms yajika manje sezitesha against the community.
Tokyo he was a chairperson of the province was hey comrades let's do sibuye manje ngoba seziqedile ukusebenza but the problem was that thina we not in charge because bekunama commander so ama commander boku responsibility ukuthi bonke ukuthi yonke into, but not everything ngicabanga ukuthi yabuyela emuva. Ezinye zisale zisala zisebenza against i-community.